In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Gmail SMTP server, providing you with a complete guide for a seamless experience. If you've ever found yourself struggling with sending emails from a personal app or a website, you've come to the right place. Configuring your Gmail account to allow SMTP access can greatly enhance your ability to send emails directly through third-party applications securely. This guide is particularly relevant if you have a Gmail account created after mid-2022. For those accounts, the traditional method of enabling less secure apps is no longer supported, and you will need to take a slightly different approach using app passwords with Google's two-step verification. Let's delve right into it by focusing on the alternative method necessary for these more recent accounts. First, head over to your Google account and navigate to the Security section. Here, you will find the settings to enable Google's two-step verification. This step is crucial as it adds an extra layer of security, making sure your account is well protected against unauthorized access. Once you have enabled two-step verification, the next course of action is to generate an app password. This is a special password that Google will generate for you, and its primary purpose is to be used with apps or devices that don't support the standard two-step code verification. When you have both two-step verification and your app password set up, you can continue with configuring your email client or application. You'll use this app password instead of your normal account password when setting up your SMTP server, ensuring that your integrations continue to send emails without a hitch, while keeping your main account's credentials secure. Throughout this process, it's important to keep your credentials confidential and to verify that your email client supports SMTP configuration. This method secures your account and maintains all functionality, adhering to the recent security standards set by Google. For a smooth operation, ensure you're using your app password correctly. Write it down or store it securely, as you'll need to enter it precisely into your email client or app. This attention to detail ensures your emails get sent without any interruption. Remember, the process might appear daunting initially, but once you've enabled two-step verification and obtained your app password, the rest is relatively straightforward. Keep your Google account security updated and secure by periodically reviewing these settings and making adjustments if necessary. Now you're fully equipped with the knowledge to set up your Gmail's SMTP server and to utilize it securely and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in to the setup guide, and happy emailing.